Shorts are everywhere. YouTube is pushing them hard. But here's the question. Nobody answers honestly. Are shorts actually worth your time if you're trying to make real money? The answer is more nuanced than you've been told. And the creators getting the most out of shorts aren't using them the way most people think. Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down YouTube Shorts monetization, what it pays, how it compares to long form, and the smart way to use shorts to accelerate your channel growth. Let's get into it. First, let's clarify what monetizing shorts actually means. Shorts have their own revenue pool, separate from long-form AdSense. YouTube takes ad revenue generated across all shorts, pools it together, and distributes a share to creators based on their proportion of total views. This is fundamentally different from long-form, where you earn a direct percentage of ads shown on your specific video. The result? Shorts, RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, is significantly lower than long-form. While a long-form video in a high CPM niche might earn $10 to $30 per 1,000 views, shorts typically earn between 3 cents and 7 cents per 1,000 views. That's not a typo. Shorts pay dramatically less per view than long-form content. To earn $100 from shorts ad revenue alone, you'd need somewhere between 1.5 million and 3 million views. To earn $100 from long-form in a decent niche, you might need only 10,000 to 15,000 views. Given those numbers, why does any serious creator bother with shorts? Because the real value of shorts isn't direct ad revenue, it's everything else. Subscriber growth. Shorts are the fastest organic subscriber acquisition tool on YouTube right now. They get shown to people outside your subscriber base. When a short resonates, it can bring in hundreds or thousands of new subscribers in days. Those subscribers then watch your long-form content, which earns you real ad revenue. Watch hour conversion. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. Shorts views do not count toward your 4,000 watch hours for YouTube Partner Program eligibility. But subscribers gained from shorts absolutely do watch your long-form videos, which do count. Shorts are a top-of-funnel growth tool, not a direct monetization tool. Discovery for new channels. If your channel has under 10,000 subscribers, shorts give you a shot at visibility that long-form content rarely delivers this early. YouTube actively surfaces shorts to massive audiences regardless of channel size. Qualification path. If shorts are your primary format, you can qualify for full YPP monetization at 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days. That's a high bar, but for creators who go viral regularly on shorts, it's a legitimate path. Here's the approach that actually works. Use shorts to grow the audience and long-form to monetize it. Make shorts by repurposing moments from your long-form videos. The best 30 to 60-second clip from an 8-minute video becomes a short that drives people back to the full video. You're not creating extra content from scratch. You're multiplying the reach of content you already made. Post 3 to 5 shorts per week alongside one long-form video. This ratio gives you the discovery benefits of shorts without sacrificing the long-form quality that actually pays. End every short with a reason to click through to your channel. A teaser, a question you answered in the long video, or a simple, full breakdown on the channel. Convert short viewers into long-form viewers and long-form viewers into subscribers. If you're purely chasing ad revenue, long-form wins every time. The CPM is higher, the revenue per view is higher, and your content builds watch hours that compound over time. If you're building a new channel from zero, shorts are a legitimate accelerant for subscriber growth, but they need to funnel into your long-form strategy to translate into real income. The creators wasting their time are the ones going all in on shorts, hoping the revenue will add up. It won't at normal scale. The creators winning are using shorts as fuel for their long-form engine. So, is shorts monetization worth it? Yes, but not for the reason most people think. Use them for growth, not income. Build that audience, then monetize it properly through long-form content, affiliates, and sponsorships. Like this video if it shifted your perspective. Next video, the exact strategies to hit 4,000 watch hours without losing your mind. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.